In this release, we integrate Siemens S7 and Omron FINS across the AdiLogiX platform. And this case study demonstrates how these integrations deliver seamless monitoring, control, and data visualization in real industrial environments. This station operates with two primary water pumps. The system continuously monitors power consumption trends and total station power usage to ensure efficiency. Real-time flow rate and pressure data, both input and output, are tracked to maintain optimal water delivery. The amount of pumped water is calculated dynamically, providing precise operational insight for effective resource management. Monitoring and analytics are key features of this setup. Tank levels are tracked in real time, while day-wise pressure trending charts display both input and output pressures. Pump status history charts allow operators to review performance trends, detect anomalies, and plan maintenance proactively. This integration of Omron FINS with Siemens S7 ensures seamless data-driven control and monitoring for reliable and efficient water station management. This dashboard provides a real-time view of pump performance. A pump level line chart tracks level changes, while two current gauges display motor current in amperes for each pump. Key KPI show pump status, flow rate, and speed at a glance. Additionally, vibration charts for both pumps display vibration levels in Hertz, helping detect mechanical issues early and ensure reliable operation. The report generator enables automatic creation of detailed system reports without manual effort. Users can schedule auto-report generation on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis based on their requirements. Generated reports can be automatically sent through Telegram, WhatsApp, and email, ensuring timely access to operational data. Trending charts have been enhanced to support live data from both Siemens S7 and Omron PLCs through seamless real-time communication. These charts continuously capture and display key operational parameters such as pressure, flow rate, tank levels, pump status, and power consumption. With synchronized data updates from multiple PLC sources, operators gain a unified and accurate view of the entire pumping system. Interactive and time-based trends make it easy to compare current performance with historical data, identify deviations, and detect potential issues at an early stage. This improved visualization enables operators and engineers to make faster, data-driven decisions, optimize pump operations, reduce energy consumption, and ensure stable and reliable water distribution across the station.